If we need to add materials during the experiment, we will use our transfer chamber. So how do we operate it? First, we need to divide the gas pipe into 4 sections, with one end of the first section connecting to the gas cylinder pressure regulator. The other end connects to a T-fitting. Connect 2 more gas pipes to the T, one into the transfer chamber's inlet. The other pipe goes into the main box's inlet. When using the vacuum pump for the first time, you need to add oil to it. Add oil from this port, marked with a scale, and connect the vacuum pump's gas pipe in the middle. Connect here and insert into the transfer chamber's outlet. Open the transfer chamber door. Place the materials inside and close the inner and outer doors of the chamber. After starting the vacuum pump, open the exhaust valve of the chamber and wait for the vacuum gauge to reach 0.1 pma. Close the exhaust valve of the chamber. Then turn off the vacuum pump. Now open the intake valve of the chamber to let in gas. Wait for the vacuum gauge to return to 0, then close the intake valve. Repeat this process 3 times. Now we can open the inner door of the box. Take out the materials and place them inside the box, then close the inner door securely. Alright, now we can start the experiment.